Welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Today we are rocking Sangtok hair, okay? This wig is a full lace wig all the way around. This is a 360 lace. As you can see, I am cutting off the back lace part. If you guys want to glue that down, you're totally fine. I don't plan on putting this up in a ponytail, so no worries for me. However, let's get you some of these details on this wig, okay? It is the summertime. We do not have all day to sit in the chair and to be getting our hair braided for hours. So as you can see me, I'm just kind of customizing the braids. Now, you want to make sure you follow along the line of the braid part where the ear is. You want to adjust it. So as you see me earlier, the braid did kind of fall over my ear. Ladies, you want to customize the wig. You really have to if you want it to be secured, if you want it to look like your natural hair. So as you can see on this side, as you can see that line right there near my ear, I'm going to cut that so that it can be placed right in between my ears. No worries, you can always glue it down. It can always look as natural as possible, and we're gonna go on about our day. This wig is called a Bohemian Goddess braid full lace frontal wig, okay? The braids in the hair is 36 inches long. Okay, so if you guys want it shorter, if you guys want it long, this is what the 36 inch looks like. When you guys see me stand up, you will see that it actually sits like right on the top of my back. I really love this hair. One thing I do want to make a disclaimer that this hair is not human, it's synthetic. Just to keep in mind that you are purchasing a synthetic braided wig. So when you do see the price point, just understand that this hair is synthetic.
You know this is a priority.
Now I'm going to begin to lay the glue down. So I customized the wig. I made sure that it fit my head. I cut the pieces out for my ear. Now I'm just going to lay my glue, and I'm waiting for this to dry. I laid about 3 coats of my adhesive. Now we're going to just put that down. One thing I want you guys to be careful when you're melting the lace is to make sure that the baby hairs are not caught in there. So just use your fingers and kind of just rub that on in. You can also blow dry it as well, but you want to press down in between the braids right along that line to make sure that that lace is melted down. The good thing about this company is that they actually provide everything that you need for this install. So let's say you say, oh my God, I forgot I didn't have a band. Guess what? They have one for you. So the good thing that I do like, they also give you these wonderful beads. They also give you a rubber band if you want to throw your hair in a ponytail. So anything that you guys need to make this look your overall success look, they got it for you. So since I went ahead and laid that lace, I'm going to just pin my baby hairs out the way, and I'm going to cut the lace. Now, I do like to use this razor, this eyebrow razor, only because it doesn't give you a strong finished look. You want to make sure when you're cutting the lace that you don't want to cut directly on that line, because you still need something to melt down, if that makes sense. If you get too close to that braid right there, you're not going to really have anything to lay down. So like if I was to step away, you're not going to see it. Probably off camera, I'll probably go in and just maybe cut a little bit more of the lace. But as of right now, you want to make sure that you leave some of that lace out, because when you pull those baby hairs down, it's just frontal. So you don't want to like get too close on cutting that lace. Right now I'm just going to finish it off with a little of adhesive spray. This is also good for laying your lace. If you don't want glue, you could just use the spray. I like to sometimes use both. Once I lay the glue on any of the excess lace that has not been tacked down, I just like to go right behind it with the adhesive spray. So just keep that in mind. So we're going to blow dry that on down. We're going to comb those baby hairs on out, because you do have to keep in mind they were pulled back. So you know, you don't want them to, like I was saying earlier before, you don't want it to stick and get caught up in the lace. So we're just going to go ahead and brush those on out. I'm probably going to lay the band one more time just to melt the lace and to make sure that it's fully laid down. Okay, I probably let the band stay on there. I'm gonna say about 10-15 minutes. I had it stay on there. I added some accessories to my hair during the waits. So now we're going to get to the fancy part, okay? This is the part that makes your hair and everything pop and stand out. Now, as you can already see, they have already curled the baby hairs. The baby hairs are already basically short and just ready for you. I mean, like, this company, they gave you everything that it is for you to have to successfully achieve this look. The hair already came curled. Now, if anything, you probably want to add a little bit more product. I didn't want all the baby hairs to kind of like stick to my forehead, because I did have on makeup and I didn't want to kind of have that, you know, that stuck look. But however, I did a couple of those, and I also sprayed it with beeswax. So sprayed it with spritz. So just take a look at these ocean waves that I'm about to do on these braids. And baby, when I tell you, when I went out that night, I got so many compliments. They thought this was my hair. Okay, go on and watch me swoop these baby hairs. I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't have to do nothing. It was done very effortless. All I had to do was just get a little product, spray some little holding spray, some spritz, and you are out of there. So this is not a complicated wig. This is not something that's like, oh, you gotta just do too much. No, okay, they makes it very, very simple and easy for you to do. Yes, the goddess, baby. Do you see that? It even look good without it even being all like curled up. You feel me? So either way, how you ladies would like to wear it, it still achieve what you're trying to go for. Now, let's style this style. We're gonna leave it down. I'm gonna kind of pin it up. I'm gonna kind of give you guys a variety of looks on how you can style it. I probably will wear it down a while, and then I'll probably wear it up, but we're gonna just throw it on to the side. Okay, look at this, y'all. One thing I did kind of have a hard time with is the curls. I'm not gonna lie, and when you add the accessories, the curls kind of, you know, get tangled in with the curly hair, which is totally fine. I'm just saying. I just had to let y'all know that. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna go ahead and style the wig. Okay, Listen, this has to be added to y'all collection. Make sure y'all click the link in the description box to purchase this wig. This wig is also located on Amazon. Amazon also have this wig available for you to purchase. All the information is located in the description box. This is a 36-inch Bohemian Goddess braid full lace wig. When I say full lace, I'm saying that as if you can pull it up in a ponytail. It is laced all the way through, okay? It's laced all the way through. I did not have to bleach any knots. I did not have to do any hard labor or work. All I kind of really had to do was customize it around my ears, as you guys seen earlier in the video. And I mean, once you do follow the steps, it is so as you can see, I'm wrapping a piece of the braiding hair around for the band so it can look super cute. I'm gonna do a half up, half down. That has been my summer to go look. And baby, you can't tell me nothing. So here's the finished look. This wig is from Sangtok. It's also purchased off of Amazon. All the information will be located in the description box. I really love this hair. If anyone that knows, this is the summer trend. Everyone is rocking the knotless bohemian looking kind of style with the soft curls or the tight curls, however you guys want it. I'm really feeling myself. Now y'all know I had to give it to you, baby. Give it to him, girl. Yeah. So you know I was feeling myself. And I'm like, you know what? We about to make some TikToks, okay? Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. My name is The Difference Is Sunshine. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.